It's a magnum thing. Hey, all of me do for them right now. Big up on yourself. Miss Kitty, you go down. Curvy D for you go down. All of me girls, them who ready for party right now. Let me see the on them right now. Let me see the on them. Danjalee again. Let me tell you something, Magnum. Yeah. Yo. When Big Tuna play, she party till sun up. I can't go find the whole place she burn up. No more be bound nothing, she know the thing turn up. I saw she said her thing. She step out in on the way big ears and bang. Hear it, nails done with a hot dance band. She step up in on the club, them say, oh my God. I saw she said her thing. Say she can't stop dream about the nightline. She loves the big buildings, fancy bright lines, reggae music, hip hop, them things that she like. Yeah. She loves to drink Magnum, drink the whole night. We get her in on the mood, we make she feel nice. Say she closes the deal with the bedroom eye. So she said her thing, no like her. She likes to party. With her expensive deals, expensive looks, and expensive hobbies. Not only that, she takes care of her body. Oh my God, you know your heart so ill, but no crap. I am born in a chronic. Hey, Magnum Dance, you know me love the way you are moving, baby. Yeah, you know me love half your attitude, baby. You are me Magnum girl. Can you really get me down the moon, baby? Yeah, can you really love your attitude, baby? Hey, Miss Kitty, she love to wind up when the big song play. She tell the DJ put it on replay. She left from Kingston and a man to go be a mix. So she do one thing, ignite the night sky with down deep and look. Run off with your heart like a rootless cook. Irresistible hipster when she start to so she said, when a gal a wine, she not care about me. No business, boy, you put it on Wi-Fi, make it go on Bluetooth, Facebook and Instagram, have it include. So she said, she be whining us.
Oh, Cho. Come here right here, sir. Come here right here. All right. You have a very unique style. Talk to me about that.
Influences from Jimi Hendrix to Bob Marley, you name it. You know, Bounty Killer, Warlord, you know. It just mix up. Everything just mix up in there.
All right, mix up in. All right, Professor Notes.
What I like with him, it reminds me of Bob Marley when he just a come. That guitar thing. When the big old word of Miss Kitty used, multifaceted, beautiful. Yes, you are multifaceted. And that's good. You can play a guitar. You know, it's very hard to sing and go punko, 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 punko. Believe it or not, I rate you on that one day. My youth, your voice is strong. Keep it like that. I love it. Rugo that.
All right, scatter.
Why, I swear, with a wicked if we never send a truth from an audition star. Because guess what, no? I think name diversity. You understand me? Because dancehall is not all about boogie or gambaka. You know? You have real talent, the man have the voice. You understand me? Image. And him can play an instrument. So he's a full package artist. There's no limit for him career right now. I head up on a Magnum stage and the whole world I see right now. So we can only wish you the best. I warm up to the guitar something, you know, because I see Miss Kitty all wine to guitar. I never know say a drum and bass could have exclude her she fit. That's how she said her thing. Big up yourself, my dad.
All right, thanks, judges.